functions. So sana kabisado pa yung mga properties ng logarithm, ano? Naturo naman sa atin yan nung high school. Kung hindi, so review tayo, no, ng logarithmic properties of logarithm. So first, we have a derivative of log base a log u base a, that is equal to 1 over u, then times the logarithm of e base a times the derivative of u with respect to x. Okay. So kung meron kang log ng u base a, so ang derivative niya, so sulat mo lang yung 1 over u, then logarithm ng e, papalitan mo na ng e, no? Yung base niya na a, yung pa rin, ano? Then the derivative ng ating u. Okay? Also, if we have a derivative of log u base e, so that is equal to 1 over u du over dx. So pansinin tong part na to, no? So kapag tayo ay may logarithm na base e, ano ba, yan na, log a base e, that is also equal to natural log, ano, ln a. Okay? So meron tayong dalawang klase ng common na logarithm. So yung ating Briggshian, tapos yung ating Napierian or natural logarithm. So ano lang, ang pinagkaiba lang nila, yung ating Briggshian logarithm, ang kanyang base ay 10, ano? So kapag ka nakakita ka ng log, diba, log a lang yan. So yan, ang automatic yan, ang kanyang base ay 10, no? Then kapag sinabi namang ln a, yan ay automatic na logarithm na ang base niya ay e. Okay, so meron din tayong tinatawag na binary logarithm. So yung ating base naman doon ay 2. Okay? So ngayon, meron sa libro yung derivation. So para dito sa ating logarithm, log u base a, ano? So di ba itong ating log a, ano? So yung ating log a, bawa, meron tayong log 10 a, ano? So kinuha natin yung derivative niyan. So we have 1 over a, teka, sa u natin, yun nating variable. Okay, yung sa book, yung derivation, so we have log u, log 10, log u base 10, ano? So that is equal to 1 over u log 10, log e base 10, ano? So this one, log e base 10, that is equal to m. M is the modulus, ano? Or constant, ano? So kung ito ay m, so we can write now the derivative of log u base 10 is equal to m over u times derivative of u with respect to x. So ayan, ano? Yun lang ibig sabihin nun. Papalitan mo lang yung log e base 10 ng modulus. So hanapin nyo sa calculus kung ano yung katumbas ng ating modulus na yan, m. So dito, balik tayo dito sa log u base e. So kung yung ating log a base e ay equal lang pala sa ln a, so pwede natin ngayon isulat na yung log u base e, that is also equal to ln u or natural logarithm u. Pero para mas madaling banggitin, ln na lang, ln. So we have derivative of ln u with respect to x is equal to 1 over u du over dx. Kunin mo lang yung u, so ilagay mo sa denominator ng fraction, then get the derivative of u. Okay? So now, let's have an example. So for y is equal to log 4x plus 3. So buo yan, ha? Log x plus 3 base 5, ano? So to get the derivative, so 1 over u, di ba? So derivative ng log is 1 over u log u log e base 5 para base a, ano? Same pa rin ang base. Then derivative ng ating u with respect to x. So yung ating u na lumalabas dito ay yung 4x plus 3. Yun. And yung ating a, yung 5, ano? So ito yung a natin. So now, so 1 over u daw. So we have 1 over 4x plus 3 times derivative times log e base 5, same lang ng base ha, pinopya ko lang base, then derivative ng ating 4x plus 3 which is yung ating u. So we have now, syempre itong part na to, i-rewrite lang natin, then itong part na to, kunin natin derivative. So we have derivative ng 4x plus 3, yung 3 natin constant, so cancel na yan. Derivative ng 4x ay 4. So we have 4. So simplifying, we have 4 all over 4x plus 3 times log e base 5. Okay? So now, another example. So y is equal to logarithm of cube root of square root of 12x. Ano? Kapag itong puro root na lang ang nakikita nyo, huwag kayong kakabahan. So that expression, we can express that into, okay. So di ba yung ating, kung halimbawa meron kang x raised to 1/3, cube root, ano? So kung meron kang halimbawa cube root of x, we can write that into x raised to 1/3, ano? Okay? Siyempre, kung meron ka naman square root of x, we can write that into x raised to 1/2. So kapag ganito, we can write that, okay, so cube root daw, ano? So, lagay ka lang ng bracket, then 1/3. Tapos yung nasa loob niya, square root daw, ano? So we have 12x raised to 1/2. So ano ba ang rule natin sa exponent kapag ganyan? So pinagmumultiply, ano? Kapag ganyan, pinagmumultiply yung exponent. Okay? So kapag ka ganito, ba, x raised to 2 times x raised to 3, yan yung pinag-a-add. So, x raised to 5, di ba? So, kapag ganito, exponent to exponent, pinag-multiply. So, we have log 12x raised to 1/6. Okay? So, properties ng logarithm, papasukan natin ng properties. Kung meron kang log a or log x raised to n, so, yung n natin, pwede mong ilagay ng n. Okay, yan. N times logarithm of x. Okay? So, you can bring down the exponent or you can multiply the exponent here. So, ayan, ano? Review lang ng properties ng log. So, now, we can bring down 1/6 or multiply it to log 12x. So, we have 1/6 times log 12x. Then, now we can get the derivative of 1/6 log 12x. Okay, so now, teka, bura tayo. Bura. Okay, so ayun yung actual na sulat ko, kapangit, di ba? At least nakita nyo na. Okay, so we have the derivative of 1/6 log 12x. So kagaya lang din ng ibang derivative formulas or differentiation formulas, ay ihiwalay lang natin yung ating 1/6 or yung ating constant. Then, logarithm na ng or derivative na ng log 12x. So, yung ating 12x dito, yun yung ating u. So, we have 1/u, so 1/12x times log e. So, yung base walang nakalagay. Understood yun na 10, ano? May 10 ka dyan. Pagka walang nakalagay, nasabi ko na nga, siya ay understood na 10. So, dito, times derivative of u tayo, no? So, we have derivative of 12x. So, ang derivative ng 12x ay 12. So, we have 1/6x log e. So, paano nangyari? So, meron tayong 12 dito. Meron kang i-multiply na 12. So, meron ka rin 12 sa ilalim. Kaya maka-cancel siya. Ang matitira lang ay 6 tsaka x. So, we have 1/6x log e. So, yun yung derivative, ano? Huwag kakabahan sa mga cube root, square root na ganyan, ano? Madali lang yan. Okay, now, let's have another example. Okay, let's have another example. Y is equal to log sine squared 4x. Okay, so kapag ganito, na-mention ko na yung sine squared 4x, yan ay also equal to sine 4x quantity squared, di ba? So now we have, okay, sundan lang natin formula. So ito yung ating u dyan, ano? Yan yung ating u. So 1/u, so 1/sine squared 4x times log e times the derivative of sine squared 4x. Okay? So, paano mag-derive ng ganito? Di ba? Naalala, general power lang, n times u raised to n minus 1 times the derivative of u, di ba? With respect to x. So, dito yung ating u ay sine, di ba? Sine 4x. Parang ganito siya, no? Then, may exponent kang 2. So, we have now, so 2 times sine 4x, naging sine 4x na lang kasi binawasan ng isa yung 2. Ayun. Then, derivative ng ating sine 4x ay cosine 4x. Then, derivative ng 4x ay 4. Yun, duktong-duktong lang siya, di ba? Sana nasundan yung part na yun, ano? So, pakita natin ulit, di ba? So, the derivative of sine squared 4x, okay, so we have 2 times sine 4x, so 2 minus 1 ka dyan, di ba? Times the derivative of u, which is sine 4x, that is, okay, cosine 4x. Tama? Then, yung derivative ng ating sine 4x, di ba kinuha natin? Kukunin pa natin yung derivative ngayon ng 4x, which is 4. Okay? So, doon nakuha yung part na ito. Okay? So, simplifying now, we have sine 4x, tapos 4 times 2, we have 8. So, we have 8 times cosine 4x. So, itong ating sine 4x, meron tayong common sa taas at sa baba. So, dalawa dun sa baba, kaya may matitirang isa dun, ano? So, we have now 8 cosine 4x all over sine 4x log e. So, simplifying this, yung ating cosine over sine, that is cotangent. So, we have 8 cotangent 4x log e. Okay? So, another example, so we have ln x plus 3 quantity raised to 4, no? So, we have, so paano natin kukunin to? So, yung ln natin, yan ay 1 over u times du over dx, di ba? Hirap magsulat. Okay. So, general power lang muna, no? So, since So, general power, hindi. So, since yung ating ln, ang naka-square ay yung kanyang laman, ano? Yung ating x plus 3, yun yung naka-square, no? So, parang ano lang din yan sa trigonometric function. So, kung yan ay ln x plus 3 raised to 4, yan ay hindi equal kay ln raised to 4, ulit. So, yan ay hindi equal kay ln x plus 3 raised to 4, no? Hindi siya equal. Ang equal dito, ito. So, ln to the 4 x plus 3. Okay? So, yun yung equal, ano? So, now, let's have the derivative. Okay. So, 1 over u we have. Okay, so, applying the properties of logarithm, so we have 4 ln x plus 3, ano? So, para hindi ka mahirapan. Naalala ba yung ano, pagka mayroong exponent, yung ating logarithm, ibababa lang natin, no? I-multiply lang natin. So, ayun, yung 4 ibinaba, so 4 times ln x plus 3. So, now we can get the derivative. So, y is equal to 4 times, so derivative ng ln, 1 over x plus 3 times derivative ng x plus 3. So, yung 3 cancel na, and yung x magiging 1, di ba? So, we have 4 over x plus 3. So, another example. Hindi nakaano pala tong part na to. Okay, so pansinin naman tong example na ito. So, yung ating exponent, wala na dito, no? Hindi na siya dito. So, ganito na siya, no? Kapag sinulat natin, we have ln x plus 3 quantity raised to 4. Okay? So, dito, mag-apply ka na ng general power formula. So, 4, ayan, to get the derivative, so 4 times ln x plus 3. So, ito, yan ay galing sa 4 minus 1, di ba? Then, the derivative of ln x plus 3. So, dito, so we have 1 over x plus 3 times derivative ng ating x plus 3. So, simplifying this, we have, so ito magiging 1 to, di ba? Then we have now 4 times ln cube x plus 3 all over x plus 3. Okay?